guys, welcome to my session. The question is the differential equation of family of circles with fixed radius 5 units and center having on the line y equal to 2. Okay, so let's say if I suppose take x is equal to 2 and y equal to x axis, y axis, line y equal to 2, y equal to something is a line parallel to y axis, x axis. So this will be line y equal to 2. Okay, y equal to 2 is a line which is parallel to x axis. So this line is y equal to 2. Okay, and center having on the line y equal to 2. So and radius is equal to 5. So radius is 5 units, so this will be the distance. Radius is 5, center will be equal to a comma 2. A comma, this is line y equal to 2, right? Line y equal to 2 means obviously this is a comma 2. Okay, now equation of the circle is x minus a the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square is equal to 5 square. That is equal to, if I call equation 1, if I differentiate once, you get 2 into x minus a plus 2 into y minus 2 into dy by dx, that is y dash is equal to 0. Divide by 2, it is 0, constant. From this I can write this as x minus a is equal to, or 2 times x minus a is equal to minus 2 into y minus 2 into y dash. Okay, let's call this cancel 2 and 2. If I substitute in equation 1 the value of x minus a, if anyways you square, you get plus y minus 2 the whole square into y dash square. Okay, plus y minus 2 the whole square, okay, is equal to 25. And from this I can write y minus 2 the whole square. Y minus 2 the whole square into y dash square is equal to 25 minus y minus 2 the whole square. Okay, that's the answer, guys. Answer will be equal to option D. Okay, let's move to the next question. See, either this is you use homogeneous or you use linear differential equation, you will get the same answer. Degree of numerator denominator same, you put y equal to vx, or you bring it to linear differential equation form as well. So this becomes v plus x into dv by dx, okay, is equal to x plus y is equal to vx divided by v. Take x common and cancel. V plus x into dv by dx, okay, is equal to y is equal to vx divided by x, right? Take x common and cancel. You get 1 plus v. So this is 1 plus v, cancel v as well. Cross multiply, you get x into dv is equal to dx. So you get dv is equal to dx upon x. If you integrate both the sides, you get plus c. Integration of dv is v. This is log x plus c. Okay, now it is given in the problem v is equal to y upon x. Y upon x is equal to log x plus c. Okay, call equation 1. Y of 1 equal to 1, that is when x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. You get 1 is equal to log 1 plus c. Log 1 to any base is 0, so c is equal to 1. Substitute back in equation 1. You get y upon x is equal to log x, okay, and then plus 1. If you cross multiply, you will get y is equal to x log x plus x. That's the answer, guys. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Differential equation of family of circles passing through the origin and having center on x-axis. So it will be like this. You get all the family of circles, okay, which will pass through the origin having center on x-axis. So this is x, this is y and 0. So center will be equal to a comma 0. Okay, let's say if I take center is equal to a comma 0, radius will be a only, because it is passing through the origin and center lies on x-axis. Okay, so radius will be equal to a. Whenever the center lies on x-axis, it will touch the circle on y-axis. Okay, whenever the center lies on y-axis, it will touch the circle on x-axis. So equation of the circle is x minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square, okay, is equal to a square. So I can write this as x minus a the whole square plus y square. Okay, if you want, you simplify this, no problem. I can write this as x square plus a square minus 2ax, okay, plus y square is equal to a square. So cancel this. From this I can write x square plus y square is equal to 2ax, and from this I can write this as x square plus y square upon x is equal to 2a. Now if I differentiate with respect to x, okay, denominator differentiation of numerator, so this is 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Okay, denominator, use the quotient rule, so this becomes denominator differentiation of numerator is 2x plus 2y dy by dx. Okay, minus numerator is x square plus y square, differentiation of denominator 1, denominator the whole square is equal to 0. Now if you multiply, you get 2x square plus this is equal to 2xy into dy by dx minus x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, that minus y square you shift on the right side, so this will be equal to 2x square minus x square will be equal to x square plus 2xy plus 2xy dy by dx, okay, is equal to y square. So if you shift on the right side, this is actually minus, right? This is minus y square, okay, is equal to 0. This minus y square you shift on the right side, it is plus y square. Answer is option C. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. The differential equation of solution is given by ax square plus by square is equal to 1. So there are two constants a and b, you should differentiate twice. Okay, I differentiate once, you get 2ax plus this is equal to 2by into dy by dx, or y dash is equal to 0. Okay, or you write y dash, no problem. Okay, you write this as y dash or y1 or dy by dx, both the same, all the same. So I can write this as 2ax. Okay, so I differentiated once, so this is equal to 2by into y dash is equal to minus 2ax. I'm going to cancel this 2 and 2. From this I can write y by x, okay, into y dash is equal to minus a by b. If I differentiate once again, first, okay, differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first is denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator the whole square is equal to 0. If you multiply by x square, you get x into y double dash, okay, and then this is x into y dash square minus y into y dash is equal to 0. So order will be equal to 2. Yes, order is 2, degree is 1. Okay, answer is option C, guys. Y double dash, right? Order 2, power is 1. So answer is option C. Question number 30. The differential equation representing the family of curves. There's only one arbitrary constant, so order should be 1 only. Alright. So this is straight away ruled out. Order cannot be 2. If you multiply, y square is equal to 2cx, okay, plus is equal to 2c to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, root c is c per half into c will be c per 3 by 2. Let's call this as equation 1. If I differentiate once, you get 2y into y dash is equal to 2cx. This will cancel. Okay, cancel this, and from this I can write y into y dash divided by x is equal to c. Okay, substitute in equation 1. You get y square is equal to 2c, c is equal to y into y dash divided by x. Okay, into, I just substituted the value of c, okay, into x will be there, plus 2 into c to the power of 3 by 2, that is y into y dash divided by x whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, anyways this x will cancel with x. So if I want to write a degree, it should be free from radicals and fractions. I can write y square minus 2y into y dash, okay, is equal to 2y into y dash divided by x whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, if you square on both sides, you can write this as y square minus 2y into y dash the whole square, okay, is equal to 2 square is 4. y into y dash divided by x the whole cube. Okay, so this is y square minus 2y into y dash the whole square. Even if you use a minus b the whole square here, no problem. You should take degree, you should take the highest power of x. You understand? Even if you take a minus b the whole square here. So if I take a square plus b square, that is 4y into y dash the whole square. Okay, minus 2ab will be 4y square into this will be equal to 4y square into this is y into y dash. Even if I have this, no problem. So this is equal to 4 y cube upon x cube divided by y dash the whole cube. So order will be equal to 1, degree will be equal to 3. That's the answer, guys. Alright, thanks for joining me.